Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to change your Instagram username. Stay with me until the end of the video. Let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, let's go. Step 1, open Instagram. After open Instagram, click your profile. After click your profile, click menu. Step 2, click Meta account. Step 3, click your profile. Step 4, click your profiles and select username. And very easy, you can change your username or edit username. For example, my username nice.tech01. For example, nice.tech80. Okay. After change, click done option. Very easy. My username is changed. Very easy. Please like the video and subscribe Nice Tech channel. Good luck.